Kidiology 3. Join the fun!
Hello kids, welcome back to Kidiology. Today we will learn multiplication with 11. Are you guys ready for fun learning? Let's start. Simply 11 more. Okay, when we get any answer, write 11 more. Simple trick we write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 on the left corner. Every time we will add 11 more. Let's do it together. 11 plus 11, 22. 22 plus 11, 33. 33 plus 11, 44. 44 plus 11, 55. 55 plus 11, 66. 66 plus 11, 77. 77 plus 11, 88. 88 plus 11, 99. 99 plus 11, 110. It is also called as skipping by 11. Simple trick is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 on both sides. 11 1 are 11. 11 1 are 11. 11 1 are 11. It means when we have one group of 11, the answer is 11. 11 1 are 11. 11 1 are 11. 11 1 are 11. 11 1 are 11. If we add 11 more, what will be the answer? I already told you the trick that it is table of 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, now we get 22. 11 plus 11 is equal to 22. 22. 11 plus 11 is equal to 22. 11 2 times 22. 11 2 are 22. If we add 11 more in 22, what will be the answer? We will get 33. Like 22 plus 11 is equal to 33. 11 3 are 33. 11 3 are 33. 11 3 are 33. It means we have 3 groups of 11. How many groups of 11? 3 groups of 11. 11 3 are 33. 11 3 are 33. If we add 11 more in 33, what will be the answer? We will get 44. 11 4 are 44. 11 4 are 44. When we have 4 groups of 11, the answer is 44. When we have 4 groups of 11, answer is 44. 11 4 are 44. 11 4 are 44. 11 4 are 44. If we add 11 more in 44, what will be the answer? We will get 55. 11 5 are 55. 11 5 are 55. It means we have 5 groups of 11. How many groups of 11? 5 groups of 11. 11 5 are 55. If we add 11 more in 55, what will be the answer? 11 plus 55 is equal to 66. If we add 55 plus 11 is equal to 66. 11 6 are 66. 11 6 are 66. 11 6 are 66. 11 6 are 66. It means we have 6 groups of 11. How many groups of 11? 6 groups of 11. 11 6 are 66. If we add 11 more in 66, what will be the answer? We will get 77. 11 7 are 77. 11 7 are 77. 11 7 are 77. If we add 11 more in 77, we will get 77 plus 11 is equal to 88. We will get 88. It means if we have 8 groups of 11, the answer is 88. 11 8 are 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 88. When we have 8 groups of 11, the answer is 88. It is simply the multiplication of 1 on both sides. Okay, kids? This is simple trick. Next we have 11 9 are. If we add 11 more in 88, the answer is 99. 11 9 are 99. 11 9 are 99. 11 9 are 99. When we have 9 groups of 11, the answer is 99. When we have 9 groups of 11, the answer is 99. If we add 11 more, then what will be the answer? We will get 110. 11 10 are 110. 11 10 are 110. 11 10 are 112. It means when we have 10 groups of 11, the answer is 110. Well done kids, we have done multiplication with 11. Now we will do whole revision of the table. Are you guys ready? Let's take 5-second break. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 11 1 are 11. 11 2 are 22. 11 3 are 33. 11 4 are 44. 11 5 are 55. You can see it is table of 1 on both sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on both sides. Next we have 11 6 are 66. 11 7 are 77. 11 8 are 88. 11 9 are 99. 11 10 are 110. Well done kids. Amazing job. Now, are you guys ready for a small quiz? Do you want to give small quiz? Get ready. 11 5 are. Can you guess what is 11 5 are? Simply multiply 5 with 1 on both sides. 1 5 are 5. 1 5 are 5. The answer is 55. The answer is 55. 11 5 are 55. 11 5 are 55. It means when we have 5 groups of 11, the answer is 55. Another quiz, 11 7 are. If we have 7 groups of 11, then what will be the answer? Now multiply 7 with 1. What is the answer? 7. Then multiply 7 with 1 again. The answer is 7. We have 2 7s. The answer is 77. 11 7 are 77. 11 7 are 77. It means when we have 7 groups of 11, the answer is 77. Well done kids. For next multiplication video, subscribe to Kidiology. See you in next video. For more fun videos, visit our channel. Thank you for watching and subscribe to Kidiology for more fun videos. See you in next video in multiplication of 12. Bye bye.
Join the fun and subscribe to Kidiology 3 today. Don't forget to ring the bell.